But for our listeners, I think it's important to define what obligations directors and officers liability policies have, and general liability policies as well. And that is, there's really two components being provided in terms of protection for the association or for the board of directors in this circumstance. And that is the policy provides defense, a cost, and if the board is found to have committed an act, error, or omission, the indemnity payment. Yeah, the $900,000, is that what the attorneys representing the board member incurred to defend her?
That's what Miss Parth incurred to defend the case.
Great. So that we want to make sure that you buy a policy that doesn't have eroding limits. And that is, if you have a D&O policy where the defense costs erode the limits, that $900,000 could be deducted from your liability limit. And the only amount left would be the balance that could be paid for any indemnity payment. So it's really important that you get defense outside the limits. So in a case like this, it really ends up being quite expensive from a defense standpoint. You still have the resulting limits to pay any indemnity payment you may be obligated to pay.